All right, let's take a peek at the 2018 Toyota Tacoma. This is a TRD Sport. It's got a couple of upgrades, so let's talk about those. We've got a 2-inch level kit on it, as well as some BFG all-terrain tires paired with a TRD matte black rim. We've got the matte black running boards here. We'll take a look inside. Beautiful black leather interior. Little sunroof action. How are ya? Climb in front here to our heated leather seats. Just our steering wheel, all the controls. Infotainment center. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, all of that. More heat controls. We got about 38,000 kilometers on it, and it's going for $44,998.